Kusama is one such organization that offers numerous answers for its clients, bringing different blockchains on one bound-together organization, transcending as a spearheading project executed on a distributed organization. Kusama has tremendous advantages to offer viz. Shared security of transfer chains and parachains, including flawless administration. The upgraded framework permits plentiful functionalities of marking and operability as approved by designers. Kusama's local token is KSM, which expects three primary purposes: administration over the organization, marking, and holding, contrasted with different tokens. Before we start with impartial Kusama cost expectation, actually look at complete coin outline. Kusama, the Constitution. The whole programming on the Kusama project is open source. Profiting by the in addition to points of Bitcoin and Ethereum, Kusama guarantees perfectly clear straightforwardness and complete exchange privacy, making it a versatile organization. Despite the fact that exchanges are kept in the general blockchain, neither the source nor the beneficiary and the sum moved are pointers for different clients on the organization, putting the power at last in the possession of clients. Kusama has ordinary overhaul planned, and that implies this convention by engineers like Gavin Wood is versatile to meet the different use instances of today and the unanticipated use instances of tomorrow. Additionally, the corporate mission of Kusama isn't to lead exclusively on the development way. The corporate has arranged large for the future, setting out on different organizations and coordinated efforts, being recorded on prominent cryptographic money trades like Coinbase and Binance and their information. The KSM badge of Kusama offers a protected and reliable stage to its brokers for financial planning and furthermore empowering lesser charges and a plenty of computerized and manufactured resources for single out from. These overhauls and effective tie-ups have sped up the energy at the cost of Kusama coin, making the ecosphere of savvy contracts all over. The redesign has raised the cost of the KSM token, the local badge of the Kusama organization, on trade significantly. Kusama Specialized Investigation. The effective ICO of Kusama drifted in 2019 October was met with thundering achievement, and it raised more than $140 million, selling north of 10 million KSM supply. While during the send-off, the cost of Kusama was exchanging around at $1.50. The broker's buy pattern carried it to a degree of $62 toward the finish of 2020. To make the most dependable Kusama cost expectations, one of the main advances is to investigate KSM's previous presentation. Not long after KSM showed up on the trade, its most memorable large flood came. Around April and May, its cost rose from $2 to $7, an extensive leap that mirrored an immense measure of early financial backers' revenue in the cryptographic money market examination. Among October and December 2020, its cost jumped up from $27 to $62. Shockingly, starting from the start of this current year, the cost of the Kusama coin has displayed an extraordinary change, fluctuating between $70 to $623. Consequently, the cost of Kusama acquired financial backer certainty, and the coin saw an extraordinary flood in force. Somewhat recently, Kusama enlisted its new all-time high of $623. Be that as it may, in the wake of hitting an ATH, the KSM token confronted a critical value drop to $262. A ton of exchanges unfolded, and cash changed hands, as indicated by information. Kusama figures, market opinion. Kusama cost is as of now moving around $130.02, and the coin has a market capitalization of $1,109,168,389.32 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $54,281,778.32. The coursing supply of 8,470,098 KSM. In light of our Kusama cost estimate, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2026 is $641.56. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 393.8%. The Kusama cost is estimated to reach $107.53 by the start of December 2022. The normal greatest cost is $134.41. Lease cost $91.40. By January 2023 end, it ought to effectively swing around $120.82, making it a wise speculation. The cost of Kusama could fall dramatically in the forthcoming years. Kusama has been giving a positive indication. As per our expectation benefits, the future cost of the KSM USD is determined at $847.49 following a year. A ton of Kusama projects are moving from the idea stage to the testing stage, and before the year's over, a lot of tasks would have been finished. Thus, an inside and out bullish gauge of $24,074,377.60, making it a productive speculation by 2022 end. Through latest things, financial backer opinion. and the general course of the digital currency market. We think Kusama has a decent possibility visiting the $800 to $1,200 mark in 2022 as long as the pattern proceeds and the group keeps on dealing with their items and organization. In the same way as other digital currencies, KSM USD is likewise defenseless against market developments and high unpredictability. In any case, notwithstanding being exceptionally unpredictable, KSM has shown reliable development over the long haul according to the sticker cost of view in Kusama Specialized Examination. Kusama Value Expectation 2022, keeping up couple with a similar bullish cost pattern. There are expectations that the KSM cost is ready for a rise even in the year next, 2022. Keeping in context the series of consecutive pinnacles and box, the Kusama cost just shows a positive pattern among the subsiding pandemic situation contacting the $184.21 mark. Kusama Value Expectation 2023, going by concentrating on more limited and longer value patterns and figure information. KSM cost has been deviating from its way regularly every 2 or 3 years, so proceeding, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be completely ideal for KSM cost for raising, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is an anticipated possibility of KSM cost causing a misfortune yet just pitiful, dropping to $214.04 once more. Nonetheless, this stays as a critical situation, and a few specialists disagree with this condition. Kusama Value Expectation 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance in that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by expected in light of the figure that KSM cost will control the crypto realm with a presentation of most exorbitant cost fixed at $243.90, which shows KSM cost can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances as conceded by the Organization of Web-Based Entertainment Channels. Kusama Value Expectation 2025. This year could check as the benchmark year as KSM cost is anticipated to outperform $281.89 definitely. This year, no urgent variables like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economies, and it is normal that the majority of the harm done would be making a course for fixed work in store for every world economy. KSM is assessed to stretch around $225 minus $285 by 2025, in view of our estimates with mass reception. Kusama Value Expectation 2026. The crypto projections and expectations from that point forward have begun drifting towards good faith instead of cynicism. The KSM cost expectation for this entire year remains very reassuring, expressing that KSM cost could exchange around the $257.78 mark. Could I at any point bring in cash with KSM? To be sure, yes. As indicated by our gauges, Kusama is certainly a beneficial speculation for what's in store. Since Kusama is only a couple of years old, its most minimal cost execution also has not been disheartening. The development in KSM cost can be followed persistently for an upswing. Financial backers are encouraged